Okay, first of all, let me show you this beauty. I've owned this for 10 years probably. It's one of the nicest ones I've ever come across. It's beautiful. 120,000 miles. Just like almost new, seriously. It's really dusty right now, but let me show you real quick how to fix this idle issue because these cars hardly have any issues. I'm going to tell you the two issues that you need to fix on these. Somebody's going to be really grateful because they can be elusive. They're pre-OBD1 or pre-OBD2 cars. Anyway, you just pop all this off. And there's a little gasket at the base of the mass airflow sensor. It's kind of hard to see, but anyway, there's a screw down there that tightens the gasket right around the bottom of that. This was loose. I could turn it, wiggle it, everything. Now it's perfect. It was high idle, surging idle, fluctuating power when you drive it. Now it's perfect. You can see. That's all I did too. Really hope this helps someone because it can be very hard to find. So first thing, again, wiggle this, see if it moves at all. If it does, you have an air leak. It'll make your idle and everything else bad. Tighten that up real tight down there on that gasket in the middle of the screen. Make sure it doesn't move at all and you'll be in business.